Salam everyone!
Assalamu alaikum!
Alright, today we're doing another episode of Saleh Family Cooks and we are cooking one of our most beloved dishes. Today we are going to be cooking a super delicious
Pasta!
So this is our favorite Instant Pot Alfredo Spaghetti. People might say it's not Alfredo, but I like to call it Alfredo Spaghetti. It's absolutely delicious, comes together in under 15 minutes and it's super creamy, cheesy, and yummy.
So let's get started. Let's get started.
Yummy?
I could go my recipe too. Yeah.
In the
Instant Pot.
Instant Pot! So this is one of those quick and easy meals that you can make in under 15 minutes.
Really delicious.
And it's kid approved, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. Let's grab our pot.
Oh, let me go wash my hands.
Oh, yep. Everybody wash hands. So for this recipe, we are going to be using spaghetti, but only because we like it with spaghetti. I'm sure you could also use any other pasta with it, but spaghetti is just what we've always done. So we're going to, first we're gonna break them up into pieces. You can put it in as long as you want, but we like to break ours because it's just easier for the kids to eat it. So we like to kind of put them in like 3 parts, kind of. So let's all do that.
One.
Yep. Yeah, it's good. Good, see? More.
I like pasta.
Here, honey.
Thank you.
And when it comes to our toddler Yusuf eating these, I usually chop it up into like really small pieces because it's just much easier to
So here's the
feed
size that you should get at the end. And Yusuf, he likes eating like this. Yeah, so
Yeah.
make sure you split it twice.
Yeah.
Like, let me show you with 2 more. In half, put them together, break it in half again.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I need 2 different liquids. You're gonna need chicken broth, which I'll show you how I make it. And the second is heavy cream. We like to use whipping cream. Any whipping cream will do. And you need about 1.5 cups of each. Today we are going to make just 1 cup of each, but usually we do about 1.5 cups.
I got the garlic.
Awesome. So we like to pre-mince our garlic and freeze it.
Envelope.
Camera's not focusing, so we freeze them in cubes like this and then put it in the freezer and it's just easy. So you want to pop that in there?
Cool.
You can put this one back.
It stinks.
I like the smell of garlic. Do you guys like the smell of garlic?
Yeah.
Comment below if you like the smell of garlic.
It does actually. I mean,
Oh, it smells nice. I don't mind it.
I mean, I wouldn't use it as a perfume or anything, but I guess it's all right.
Okay, then you're gonna put the classic salt and pepper. So we already have it pre-measured, just
Zainab,
to
you can do
taste
this
however much you guys like. Go ahead and pour it in.
Did the Can you put more? No, Zainab.
I'm actually gonna just add a little bit more whipping cream because I want it extra creamy. Then we're going to make chicken broth. Now, we like to just take the bouillon cubes, bouillon, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and we like to make our chicken broth with hot water. There's 2 ways to do this. Obviously, if you have a kettle, you can use a kettle, or you can just use boiling water on a stove. But we have something even better. We actually have a tap back here. It's a hot water purifier. It's by Viomi, and you get instant hot boiling water with it. You can actually make tea with it. You can make baby bottles with it. You can have like normal, regular temperature water and boiling hot water, and it comes out instantly. So we're actually going to do that with this right now. So the cool thing about this water filter is it filters out everything that's bad. So all of the bacteria, heavy metals, viruses, and it leaves behind trace minerals like calcium and magnesium, and it actually tastes really good. But my favorite part about it is just the simple fact that you get hot boiling water instantly. So you can make instant noodles, you can make, like for us, we're doing chicken broth instantly. So we'll show you how that works. We got hot boiling water coming out of here instantly. And if you're wondering, yes, it does have a child lock, so your kiddos will not burn their hands, but it's instant.
And as you can see here, it takes less than 1 minute to get an entire cup of boiling hot water. Perfect if you like instant noodles or want to make some broth for yourself.
Okay, so now that we have our cup of hot boiling water, I'm gonna stir this.
It looks like stew now. I mean soup.
Soup. Chicken broth is like chicken soup, basically. So that was quick and easy for us. No kettle needed, no pot of hot boiling water, just instant chicken broth.
Yeah, it was just a minute.
Just like that. So huge thank you to Viomi. This is the Nano 0.1 hot water purifier. Thank you for sponsoring today's cooking video. And now I'm going to do this job, which is pouring the hot chicken broth in the pot.
And it makes it taste super, super delicious.
Yep, it really does. So guys, the cool part is I'm gonna put this on screen. You can actually monitor everything through the app about the water filtration. So you can see the filter life, the water pressure, and even the water quality right from my phone. I'm gonna show you that on screen. So I love that it's hidden underneath the sink. There's nothing bulky up here. Literally all you have is just the tap. So much more space to put your cleaning supplies or whatever that you want underneath your sink cabinet. And there's no bulk because all you have is just the tap. And that's it.
So the amazing thing about this water purifier is it filters out everything that's bad, purifying your water quality while releasing trace nutrients, gets rid of viruses and bacteria, heavy metals, microplastics, and it leaves all the good minerals that your body needs. And honestly, it tastes so good. We're saving so much by not buying bottled water, plus no tank means always fresh water. It's honestly one of those upgrades that quietly makes everyday life better. And if you're thinking of getting one, check them out at Viomi, Malaysia.
And then we're gonna put this on for 6 minutes on high pressure. And then once the pressure is done, we're gonna let it naturally release for about another 6 minutes. Then we're gonna add the Parmesan cheese. And is the Parmesan cheese like the best part, girls?
Yeah!
And just so you guys know, it's okay if some of the spaghetti like sticks up out of the liquid because it is under pressure and it's gonna cook with steam, so it's totally okay. So let's close it up. Make sure it's on sealing mode. And let's turn it on.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Okay. And now we wait. We'll be back in 6 minutes, plus another 6 minutes after it naturally releases. Okay, so now we have let this sit for a few minutes after it's done cooking. Pre-warning, because there is cream in here, it might splatter. So take a paper towel and preempt it by putting it on top. And don't let the kids be near the steam because you don't want anyone getting burned. So we're going to place this on top.
And this is the loudest part.
Oh, wait a second. There was no steam that came out because it's been sitting for so long.
Ooh, that smells so good.
Okay, so you might have some spaghetti sticking together. That's totally normal. And it's also gonna look really liquidy. That's totally fine. When you plate it and you put the sauce on top, it's gonna thicken up. So at this point, we're going to just take it off the heat. We're gonna stir it really well. And now you guys can grab the cheese.
Yay, my favorite part.
This is their favorite part, is putting the cheese inside. So Parmesan cheese. We like to use the shredded kind inside, and then when we plate it, we're going to use the shredded, like the small kind, the one that's grated, basically.
How much do I put all of it?
Let's see.
I like putting all of it. When you put all of it,
I would say like 1/4 of a cup. Depends on how creamy you like it.
This one too. We also have this.
Plate it. And then we like ours saucy and creamy. So what you can do is take like a ladle and just pour on some of that cream. Okay, so now we're gonna put some of the other Parmesan on top. And there you have it. Okay, so how does it smell, girls?
Epic. So
So good.
Oh wow. And it
Delicious.
tastes better than it smells too.
Okay, so we always start with Bismillah when we eat, and we thank Allah for the food that we have, because there's so many people that don't have access to food. So, and we keep everybody in our du'as, always. Yes. And we're always grateful for what we have.
We hope you enjoyed this Saleh Family Cooks episode. Oh, and sorry we haven't posted a Saleh Family Cooks in such a long time.
That's right.
But this one is going to be the best one. Bye. Bye.